So we know that the police department is one of the most important department in the government. It is one of the machineries that is being designed to enforce law in the state. So I would like to dwell on one issue, and that is about the police and public relation. I feel this is very important, sir. We need to create an impression where the people will feel free to approach the police officer. We know that the duty of the police department is to serve and protect the people. Though it is one of the government machineries, but it should not be allowed to be seen that this department is going to protect the rich and the mighty only, and to show their concern for people in power only. So I know that there is a trust deficit as far as the police department is concerned. Common citizens are always reluctant to approach the police because there is always a partiality in dealing with matters concerning the common people.